I just spent 8 minutes scraping 1,000 product listings while drinking my coffee. No coding, no headaches, just clean data ready to use. If you've ever lost hours doing manual data entry, this video is for you. Watch till the end because I'll show extract competitor data in minutes, scrape pages behind logins, yes, even social media, and build data sets that would cost $500 plus to outsource. I'll share a limited time deal with 200 free credits, which are enough to scrape thousands of data points before spending a dime. Meet Chat4gpt, a browser extension that works like ChatGPT for web scraping. Here's what makes it different. Most scrapers need coding or complex setup. This runs in your browser with natural language. If you can browse a website, you can scrape it. Let me prove this actually works. Hit the link below. It takes you to the Chrome Web Store. Install it, and you're done. When you open it, you'll see a clean chat interface. Think ChatGPT, but for web scraping. No confusing dashboards. The tool literally tells you what to do first. Extract data from the page you're on. No guessing, no 50-page manual. Let's put Chat4gpt to the test. First test, real estate data. I went to Zillow, searched San Diego listings, and told Chat4gpt what I wanted. Price, address, bedrooms, square footage. It automatically detected the structure and gave me options. I checked include agent info from subpages, hit extract, and watched it work through multiple pages automatically. Result? 32 perfectly organized listings in a CSV file in under 4 minutes. That same task manually? Easily 3 hours. But here's what everyone asks me. How do you make every video go viral on YouTube? Let me show you the process behind each one. When I choose a video topic, I don't just dive in blindly. I use Chat4gpt to extract key data and optimize content to stay one step ahead of competitors. Here's a demo. Suppose I need to make a video about AI video generators. With Chat4gpt, I'm extracting all the data from the current web page. Within seconds, I can choose whether I need specific data or everything from the results, like titles, video durations, and more. I'm going to extract it all, and I also have the option to pull data from subpages, which we will test in the next use case. Now, I'm going through the current setup and extraction, and you can see the downloaded CSV. I have everything: video titles, links, durations, and much more. You can look at my screen, and you'll see that I've saved 5 hours of manual work. Now, I can use that data wisely to optimize the content. If you're doing social listening, competitor analysis, or content research, you need to use Chat4gpt, and don't miss the special discount offer at the end of the video. Okay, but what about actual e-commerce sites with constantly changing prices? Well, this next test will answer that. I need to know which brands are selling Christmas trees on Amazon, along with their product ratings and prices. For this, I'm using Chat4gpt to extract data from subpages. As you can see, I'm filtering out what I don't need, and after that, instructing it to pull brand info and product details from the first page. Now, it's working flawlessly, following every instruction, and wow, in just 5 minutes, it pulled 49 products, including titles, links, ratings, rating counts, and brand names, all without a single error. If you're doing product research or tracking competitor pricing, this tool alone will pay for itself. For business owners and marketers, this is gold. Analyze viral trends, find business gaps, study what's working. Here's the real test. Can it handle pages that require a login? This is where 90% scraper tools fail. To test this, I logged into TikTok and opened a trending creators feed using Chat4gpt. And look at this. It has pulled videos along with video title, video link, and view counts without any issues or errors. The reason it works so smoothly is that it operates directly within your browser session, just like a regular user browsing the site. If you're getting value from this, hit that subscribe button. It helps me make more content like this. Now, here's something most people miss about web scraping privacy first. All scraping happens locally in your browser. Your passwords and data never leave your machine. Nothing gets stored or transmitted. Plus, it uses a real browser environment, so you bypass most CAPTCHA. No more frustrating blocks. Here's the efficiency advantage. Most scrapers analyze sites every single time, draining credits fast. Chat4gpt analyzes once and remembers. You start with 1 million free tokens beyond text. Bulk download images, videos, PDFs, anything on the page. Perfect for content creators and researchers who need media without the right-click nightmare. Version 2.0 goes deeper. It scrapes second-layer pages automatically, product details, user profiles, anything one click away. You're getting data sets your competitors can't access. Now, about that deal I mentioned. From November 26th to December 12th, Chat4gpt is running a Black Friday sale. Chat4gpt is launching subscription plans with 30% off, first time ever. Every new user gets 100 free credits instantly, but if you use my referral link in the description, you get another 100 credits on top. That's Just 200 free credits, enough to properly test the tool, scrape data sets, and see what's possible without spending a single rupee. So grab your free credits, scrape your first data set before December 12th, 2025, and start tracking competitors, researching products, curating content, whatever you need. The possibilities are endless. And once you try it, drop a comment sharing the biggest problem Chat4 data helped you solve.